Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why does my car vibrate when going uphill? Ever felt your car start to tremble and vibrate as you climb a steep hill? It's a common issue that can turn any drive into a stressful experience. This shaking can be due to a variety of reasons, from engine troubles to transmission issues. In this video, we'll dive into the main causes of car vibrations when driving uphill and what you can do to fix them. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new car owner, understanding these possible problems can save you from potential breakdowns and costly repairs. Let's get to the bottom of why your car is shaking and how to keep your uphill drive smooth and worry-free. Understanding car vibration while going uphill. Driving uphill can be a common scenario for many drivers, but experiencing vibrations while ascending steep roads can be concerning. Understanding the reasons behind car vibrations when climbing uphill is crucial to ensure the safety and well-being of both the vehicle and its passengers. Causes of car vibrations when climbing steep roads. 1. Engine misfire. One of the common causes of vibrations when going uphill is an engine misfire. This occurs when the engine skips one of its combustion cycles, leading to uneven power distribution and, consequently, vibrations. 2. Uneven road surfaces. Uneven or bumpy roads can also trigger vibrations in the vehicle. When climbing steep roads with poor road conditions, the tires can struggle to maintain proper traction, causing vibrations to be felt throughout the car. 3. Worn-out engine mounts. The engine mounts are responsible for securing the engine in place. If these mounts become worn out or damaged, the engine may not be properly stabilized, resulting in vibrations, especially when under load while going uphill. Effects of continuous vibration on the vehicle. 1. Decreased comfort. Continuous vibrations while driving uphill can lead to a less comfortable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. The constant shaking and rattling can be unsettling and fatiguing. 2. Increased wear and tear. Prolonged exposure to vibrations can accelerate wear and tear on various vehicle components. This includes the suspension system, tires, and even the engine mounts. Regular vibrations can lead to premature deterioration of these parts, potentially resulting in costly repairs. 3. Safety concerns. Vibrations can impact the overall stability and control of the vehicle. When climbing steep roads, maintaining optimal control is crucial for safety. Excessive vibrations can compromise the handling of the car, increasing the risk of accidents, especially in challenging driving conditions. Understanding the underlying causes and effects of car vibrations while going uphill is essential for addressing these issues promptly and ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Regular maintenance checks and timely repairs can help mitigate these issues and enhance the performance and longevity of your vehicle. Common reasons for car vibrations when ascending inclines. Car vibrations when going uphill can be concerning and may indicate underlying issues with your vehicle. Several common reasons can lead to these vibrations, including engine misfire, transmission issues, fuel delivery problems, and suspension or steering component issues. Identifying the root cause of these vibrations is crucial in maintaining the performance and safety of your vehicle. Engine misfire. An engine misfire occurs when the fuel in your car's engine fails to ignite at the right time. This can result in rough idling, loss of power, and vibrations, particularly when the engine is under load, such as when climbing uphill. Common causes of engine misfires include faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of these components can help prevent engine misfires and subsequent vibrations. Transmission issues. Issues with the transmission system can also lead to vibrations when ascending inclines. Low transmission fluid levels, worn-out gears, or a malfunctioning torque converter can cause the transmission to slip or struggle to deliver power to the wheels efficiently. As a result, your car may vibrate or hesitate when climbing uphill. Regular transmission service and prompt repairs can help prevent these issues and ensure smooth performance. Fuel delivery problems. Fuel delivery problems, such as a clogged fuel filter, failing fuel pump, or dirty fuel injectors, can impact the engine's ability to receive an adequate supply of fuel. This can lead to uneven power delivery and engine misfires, resulting in vibrations when driving uphill. Keeping up with fuel system maintenance, including replacing the fuel filter and cleaning the injectors, can help prevent these issues and maintain optimal engine performance. Suspension and steering components. Issues with the suspension or steering components of your vehicle can also contribute to vibrations when ascending inclines. Worn-out shock absorbers, damaged suspension bushings, or misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear and affect the stability of your car, resulting in vibrations. Regular inspections and timely replacement of worn components can help ensure a smooth and comfortable driving experience, especially when navigating challenging road conditions like uphill climbs. Tips to address car vibrations when going uphill. Is your car shaking when going uphill? Here are some practical tips to help you address this issue and ensure a smoother driving experience. Regular vehicle maintenance. Maintaining your vehicle regularly is key to preventing issues like vibrations when driving uphill. Make sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule provided in your car's manual. This includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, and other routine checks to keep your car running smoothly. Checking and balancing tires. One common cause of car vibrations is unbalanced or worn-out tires. Ensure that your tires are properly inflated and balanced to avoid vibrations, especially when driving uphill. Regularly check the tire pressure and tread wear, and consider rotating your tires to promote even wear and better performance. Consulting a mechanic for diagnosis. If you continue to experience vibrations when driving uphill despite proper maintenance and tire care, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection. An expert diagnosis can help pinpoint the root cause of the issue, which could range from worn-out suspension components to engine problems affecting performance. Trusting a professional can save you time and money in the long run by addressing the issue promptly. Addressing car vibrations when going uphill requires a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance and care. By following these tips and seeking expert advice when needed, you can enjoy a smoother and safer driving experience. Throughout this article, we've delved into the common causes of why a car might vibrate when going uphill. From issues with the engine, transmission, drivetrain, to problems with the tires or suspension, we've covered a range of potential culprits. By understanding the underlying reasons behind this issue, you can now be proactive in addressing any vibrations your car may be experiencing. Remember, regular maintenance and inspections are pivotal in ensuring your vehicle's optimal performance. If you notice persistent vibrations, it's crucial to seek professional help to avoid any potential safety hazards and costly repairs down the road. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep your car running smoothly on every journey you embark upon. By being attentive to these signs and symptoms, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable driving experience every time you hit the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.